TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 45. You get the NASDAQ off 4. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contracts flat at $1247.40. We have silver flat also $18.20. You got platinum down $2.50 at $9.46 an ounce. Copper's down 2 pennies, $2.65 a pound. Light sweet crude down 15 cents, trading at $50, 20 cents a barrel. Notes, we get the 10-year note up 5 ticks, 124.17. 30-year bond down 1 tick, 150.16. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they did it once again. They backed down, lighter volume. They've rejected lower price out here this morning, have lighter volume. Bottom line, they want to go topside once again. Higher price, lower yield. King dollar up 35 ticks, trading at 100.320. Now, King dollar went into its downdraft from March 15th. Much lighter volume. Thus far, what we've done, we've rejected the low of the downdraft. It's going to have dramatically lighter volume. So what you're going to have here, if in fact we close right where we are, you're going to have rejection on price coming into that. That would be saying that King dollar is going to resume its downtrend next week. The euro is trading at 106 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 111.69 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY is trading at a price point of 1236.18, and the volume contracted each and every day when we were talking about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yesterday, you only did the 56 million shares going against 131. That being said, we're at 236.12. The SPY would have to close under 235.81 in order to be bearish on the daily basis. Weekly basis, if it closes up here, that is still saying it could get up into the 237.61. Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials is the weak link out here when you look at the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&Ps, and the small caps. Dow Industrials just can't handle higher price. We are at 20,689. 20,653 is the number to look at. If you close underneath that, that is going to say that the Dow is going to go right back down into this 20,412 area. The composite, the NASDAQ composite, what we have with the composite out here, trading at a price point of 59.12, and that's hanging right at its highs. The high out there, folks, is 59.28. Yesterday, you hit 59.16. I suspect that somehow, some way, that wants to whack that high. NDX 100. Now, the 3Qs, folks, closed over its high yesterday. The number to keep your eye on the 3Qs is this, is 132.43. We went up, closed over it with 16 million shares versus 35. If you close underneath that, at the close today, you're going to have a huge failure on price and volume on the weekly basis. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? We got a Friday in the gold market, and they couldn't hammer it down. So what is that saying? That's saying, guess what? We got to a low of 1241 today. You're at 1247. That's telling me that this thing's going to try to run into the 1250 mark to 1250 is game. And we'll see how that shakes out coming into the close out here today. Silver, same type of setup in silver. In fact, silver just is refusing to back down. Silver's hanging right at the highs that were generated out here in February. The high being $18.54. We've hit $18.25 today. We'll see whether it can get up into that area. Notes, the 10-year note had same thing, rejected lower price, has lighter volume. That wants higher price. Right now we're at 124.17. That swing point is 125.05. That is game. And good old King dollar. King dollar, folks, looks to me like that's the end of the counter trend bounce. King dollar is going into the downdraft. The number to keep your eye on the King dollar is 100.320. And right now we're at 100.340. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a safe weekend. Look forward to speaking it right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new market-safe core commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.